guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 7 of our 30-day smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing one of my favorite green smoothies with you. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Okay, so the first ingredient which we are using today is a cup of pineapple, and this one is rich in vitamin C and helps to aid digestion. Next ingredient is banana, and this is rich in potassium and this will keep you full. And the next ingredient is half of an avocado, and this one is rich in healthy fats and it's really good for your skin. And the next one I'm using 2 dates, and this one acts as a natural sweetener and much better option than your cane sugar. And the next ingredient I'm using today is goji berry, and this one is ultimate superfood and it's really high in antioxidants. And if you want to check this out, I will leave the link in my description box down below. I'll be using a teaspoon of this one. And next comes our greens, which is spinach and kale. This one is high in fiber and spinach is really good for your eyesight. To blend everything together, I'm using this coconut milk, but feel free to use any milk of your choice. You can use almond milk, oat milk, rice milk. There are so many options. I'm going to add that. And yeah, I forgot to add lemon, so I'm just going to add that and just going to blend it again so that everything gets all nice and mixed.
A few moments later.
This is amazing, and if you are someone who loves creamy smoothies, you are going to love this stuff. And trust me, you're not going to taste spinach or kale whatsoever. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new and healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye. Okay, so first ingredient which we are using today is a cup of pineapple.